Out here testing out my new GoPro 7. This is the replacement for the GoPro 7 I already got, and was having some issues with the audio. I contacted GoPro about it, and then they finally sent me another one. This one's working fine. Thought I'd just ride around out here and try it out and talk to the camera and see. Wow, this got all washed out. Better take it kind of slow. I haven't been on this one since the last good rain. Good rut right there. Anyways, I bought a Sony camera while this one was away, and I tried it out, and I kind of like it better than the GoPro for some stuff. It sticks out farther than this camera on this Pro Shop mount that I'm using. But it feels like it's lighter than the GoPro when it's using the adapter and the GoPro. But I haven't really put it to a good test yet. And I was going to use it today, but I decided to try the GoPro since I already had everything all set up for it. And I have the Sony hooked up right now on my new Arai XD4 helmet that I'm gonna pretty much just use on my KLR. This road's kind of gone. Don't really need a road, but anyways, the desert's blooming this spring pretty good. There's a lot of flowers. Not so many right here. This area where I'm riding today, a lot of people come and shoot guns and leave their trash. People feel like when they come out shooting, they gotta bring their old refrigerators and TVs and shoot them and leave them in the desert. There's a refrigerator right there, maybe a TV. Not really sure what we got out here. Definitely an old fridge, and I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, it's a barbecue grill. So the shit people drag all the way out here. We're pretty far out. Anyways, this is what the desert's supposed to look like without all the trash. I know there's a trail here somewhere. There it is. Kind of hard to find. Let's see. Yep, there it goes. So the question is, oh, missed the trail. Do I like the GoPro or do I like the Sony better? And I haven't really used the Sony enough to know. Lost my trail again. Huh. All those purple flowers out there. There it is. The rocks are really hard right here, so you don't leave much tracks, but yeah, this is a trail. If it wasn't for the side-by-sides marking it all up, I'd never find it. So I tried out the Sony, and the audio definitely seems better on that than the GoPro. It didn't have all the popping and everything, but I was just farting around with it. I wasn't really doing much. I didn't have it all hooked up right, but I'm using the exact same microphone on the Sony as I am the GoPro. It's the purple Panda mic that somebody on the KLR Delusionals Facebook group told me about. So I got a couple of them, and so far they're working pretty good. Uh-oh. There it goes. This used to be a single track trail till the side-by-sides started running on it. You can barely see it anymore due to all the rain we've got, the grass growing. I think this is it. Huh. Anyways, those sage bushes have pretty cool purple flowers all over them. Everything looks really cool right now. Butterflies everywhere. I think this is my trail. Yeah, this is it. I gotta go kind of slow around here. There's a lot of desert